Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions. Thomas Damm, Managing Director at Klaaßen Werkzeugmaschinen und Automatisierungstechnik GmbH, shares his feedback on working with us. In the interview, we asked him, what issue did you come to us with? And Thomas answered, I was looking for CAD services in order to help us with our projects. Actually, we are facing a quite demanding growth here in our organization, and luckily we found GFE so that they could help us out in our demand in terms of CAD supply. We asked, why did you decide to cooperate with us? What makes our offer superior to those of our competitors? And his answer was, actually, it was the personal communication with the management of GFE. From the early get-go, there was quite open communication followed by highly skilled and motivated people which were supporting us in our projects. Summarizing, it was very helpful. The organization was perfect, top-notch, so I was quite happy with it. According to Thomas Damm, he appreciated the people, the communication and the workflow the most about working with us. The next question was, how quickly did our team respond to your questions or concerns? And he said that they are using the most modern communication platforms via mobile, email and so on. The response time is most likely a few hours. According to Thomas Damm, his expectations of working with us were fully met. The services are on a top level. Of course, we are working in the field of tooling machines, and tooling machines are quite demanding. So there's a lot of communication mandatory, but he is really happy with it, and people from GFE are really helping them out a lot. Honestly, sometimes your people are a bit too fast. They are designing too fast, and sometimes they are taking the wrong decision from my opinion, and I need to catch them and put him on the right track again. But I guess this is also quite normal. Sometimes I was in a similar position, so I'm still happy with it, said Mr. Damm. We asked, what other services would you like us to provide for you? And he said that next to the CAD, there could also be electronical planning, CAE plannings, electrical cabinets. That's of next demand in his organization. Let's grow mutually together. So we are growing, and let's do many more projects, and I'm really happy with your guys, and hopefully we can do a lot more projects, said Thomas Damm. We are very grateful to Thomas Damm for the feedback on working with us.